Why is the dessert in front?
I'm like, what?
I want some rice and noodles.
I want noodles instead of rice.
I love rice. I love rice, right? Rice is so good.
Is it right? Noodle with the sauce, right?
Yep. No, it's
Nathan.
noodles with this.
Oh.
Kyle, no, eat na.
Yeah, sorry.
So what are you doing?
Either one.
What's it eat now?
Nathan.
Eat first. Okay, come. Paul. Kyle, come. Eat first. Nathan, no. Come here. Eat first. Eat here. Sit down. Kyle. Sit. Oh, eat na, eat.